Good afternoon, everyone. Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Yeah. I welcome you all to the award ceremony of 6th South Asian Education Award. This year it's a virtually. Right? This is the 6th edition of this award ceremony. And as you all are aware about this global pandemic, due to this, we are forced to join this, virtually this year. And we hope things will be better next year. So in 2020, we will be hopefully, back again at real normality. Uh, so first of all, I must thank you everyone for participating in the 6th South Asian Education Awards. And without taking more time, let's begin the award ceremony. So first, I should give you an introduction of Education Expo TV, and before that, myself is Abhi Singh. I'm the director marketing and branding of Education Expo TV. Let give me your brief about the Education Expo TV. Education Expo TV is the India's leading research branding company. The company was founded in the year 2011 with the main focus in education areas. Within the span of only few years of time, company grows from strength to strength and expanded its operation to the healthcare, real estate, hospitality, entertainment, and edutainment sectors. The company provides services of rating, ranking, research, and branding solutions. South Asian Education Award aim is to celebrating the success and recognizing achievement taking place in South Asian education. Education Expert TV and its content have been widely cited and employed as the starting point for identifying educational strength and weaknesses as well as facilitating reform and setting new initiatives. Education Expert TV is going to provide various global comparison and in-depth analysis on research institutions supporting relevant decision making by government and universities in national contexts. In order to take ceremony ahead, I would like to invite Dr. DC Singh, Chief Research Advisor of ETCRS, to present the report of ETCRS South Asian Education Award 21. But before he uh, any start, I should give his introduction. Dr. DC Singh is heading the research wing of Education Expert TV. His position is largely responsible for all research and branding related activities of ETCRS. He is holding doctorate degree with vast experience in education and industrial research. To throw some light on ETCRS South Asian Education Award 21, now I am inviting Dr. DCC. So, Dr. DC Singh, are you listening me? I think there is some connection problem with. I think Dr. Singh is not responding. Just give me a moment. I should bring. Hello, Dr. Singh. Your video is not appearing. Okay, I think there is some technical issue in connection with Dr. Singh. He has already joined us, but we are unable to receive his audio or video. Okay. And yeah, we have tried to connect with him. He's not able. So I should give the report of South Asian Education Awards. The uh, South Asian Education Award established by ETCRS with the mission to identify best practices in teaching, research, and technology field. The evaluation criteria followed by South Asian Education Award is based on the parameters like scientific paper written as first author, review and article published, books and chapters written as first author, books edited, principal investigatorship of project, seminar organized, invited talks given, radio and TV talks, proper article published, patent filed, and consultancy project undertaken. The administrative expertise also has been taken into account for Best Principal and Director Awards. ETCRS uses 44 objective indicators to award education institution. One of the important features of Education Expert TV research is that its methodology is nationally as well as internationally sound and transparent. Our mission is to create value-based media for the world, and South Asian Education Award 21 is one such initiative. We at ETCRS are committed to bring the honest opinion, social change, and justice to the services. So, let's move ahead to announcement of the result. Okay, so today, 24th of June, we all are here to for the ceremony and to celebrate the success of each other. So before I start announcing the result, let's give a round of applause for yourself and for all other participants. Okay, so let's begin the announcement of the result. First, I will announce the results of school sections. These are the educational awards. Best School Award goes to in Uttar Pradesh. The Best School Award goes to Prelude Public School, Agra, Uttar Pradesh. Congratulations to the entire team of school. Second Best School Award goes to Delhi Public School, Chindwara, Madhya Pradesh. Congratulations. Now, award for international achievement. Award for international achievement. First award goes to Dr. A.K. Pandey, Principal Scientist, Fish Conservation from NBFGR ICAR, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Congratulations. Second award for international achievement goes to Professor Pramod Kumar Nayak, Pro Vice Chancellor, Dr. C.V. Raman University, Chhattisgarh. Congratulations. Now, let's move to the Special Achievement Award. In the Special Achievement Award, first I will announce the official spotlight certificates. So, first official spotlight certificate goes to Mr. Sanjeev Tyagi, Executive Engineer from Public Health Engineering Department, Government of Haryana. Congratulations. Second official spotlight certificate goes to Pratik Ranjan Mungerkar. He's a professor from Maharashtra. Congratulations. And the last official spotlight certificate in this category goes to Dr. Dilip Kumar Goswami, Associate Professor, Agatha Tantra and Vidhi Ayurveda from Government Ayurvedic College, Guwahati. Congratulations. Now, the award for special achievement goes to Miss Sarita Das from Ranchi University, Jharkhand, and Brahmkumari's World Spiritual University, Rajasthan. Congratulations. And next award for special achievement goes to Miss Alka Malik. She is a Managing Director, Essential Examination and Test Preparation Center from Dubai. Congratulations to her. And the last award for special achievement goes to Dr. Kamrul Hassan Lari. He's a reader from Department of Kuliat from State Unani Medical College and Hospital, Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. Congratulations. Now, the young faculty category. In the young faculty category, the official spotlight certificate goes to Dr. Nitin Dwivedi, Assistant Professor History from Ma Chandrika Mahila Snatokotter Mahavidyalaya, Mahoba, Uttar Pradesh. Congratulations. Now, the faculty category. In the faculty category, the official spotlight certificates goes to first certificate goes to Dr. Pratibha Patil, Assistant Professor Zoology from DAV College, Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Congratulations. Second special official spotlight certificate goes to Professor Dr. Bipin Ganpatilal Pardeshi. Is a teacher of computer science from SM Chokse College, Pune, Maharashtra. Congratulations. And the honorable jury mention certificate in this category goes to Dr. Shrimati Wadadi Malagati. She is an assistant professor of management from Chetan Business School, Karnataka. Congratulations. The best teacher award in the school section. The best teacher award in the school section goes to Ms. Kruti Vora. She is an TGT of Physics from Delhi Public School, Madhya Pradesh. Congratulations. Next best faculty award goes to Professor Veena Satya. He is a professor of botany from SBN Government PG College, Madhya Pradesh. Congratulations. Next best faculty award goes to Dr. Muhammad Abdul Hanan Hazari. He is a professor and HOD psychology from Deccan College of Medical Sciences, Telangana. Congratulations. Next best faculty award goes to Dr. Ajay Devrao Dhangaonkar. Is an assistant professor of physics from Nilkantrao Shinde Science and Arts College, Bhadravati, Maharashtra. Congratulations. And the second last best faculty award goes to Dr. Harnam Singh Lodi. Is an assistant professor of zoology from K.S. Saket PG College, Ayodhya, Uttar Pradesh. And last and final best faculty award goes to Dr. Bhavna Srivastav, assistant professor of zoology from DAV College, Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Congratulations. Now let's move to the category of outstanding faculty of the year. The official spotlight certificate in this category goes to Dr. Ravi Sahib Rao Dharpawar. He is an assistant professor of political science from Chintamani Mahavidyalaya, Maharashtra. Congratulations. So first outstanding faculty of the year goes to Dr. Suchit Swaroop. He is an assistant professor from Department of Geology, University of Lucknow. Congratulations. And second outstanding faculty of the year goes to Anshuman Darbari. He is an assistant professor of Cardiothoracic Surgery Department from AIIMS, Uttarakhand. Congratulations. The last outstanding faculty of the year goes to Dr. Mahipal Singh, associate professor of physics from RH Government PG College, Kashipur, Uttarakhand. Congratulations. Now, the best principal, director, and educators award. So the best principal award goes to Miss Simran. She is a principal of Data Public School, Hisar, Haryana. Congratulations. Best principal headmaster award goes to Mr. Gautam Banerjee. He's a principal from Panighata UDM High School, West Bengal. Congratulations. Next best principal award goes to Dr. Habib Khan. He's a principal of Delhi Public School, Chhindwara, Madhya Pradesh. Best Edupreneur award goes to Dr. Sushil Chandra Gupta, then chairman of Prelude Public School, Agra, Uttar Pradesh. Congratulations. And the next best Edupreneur award goes to Mr. Brain Satija. He's a pro vice chairman of Delhi Public School, Chhindwara, Uttar Pradesh. Congratulations. Now let's move to the award for excellence in research category. So first, I will announce the official spotlight certificates. So first official spotlight certificate in the research category goes to Mr. Mubin Khan. He's a senior research fellow of history from Mahatma Gandhi Chitrakoot Gramodaya Vishwavidyalaya from Madhya Pradesh. Congratulations. Next official spotlight certificate goes to Dr. B.K. Das, the proprietor of Rishabh Implex, Delhi. Next special official spotlight certificate goes to Dr. Pawan Kumar. He is a postdoctoral fellow from CPME department from IIT Ropar, Punjab. Now the honorable jury mentioned certificates. We have 3 certificates in this category. First goes to Dr. Anand Mishra, Assistant Professor Environmental Science from Integral University, Uttar Pradesh. Congratulations. Next honorable jury mention goes to Dr. Sumriti Kiran Simon. She is an assistant professor of education department from Dr. C.V. Raman University, Chhattisgarh. Congratulations. And the last honorable jury mention certificate in this category goes to Dr. Akhilesh Kumar. He is an assistant professor of chemistry from Axis Institute of Technology and Management, Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Congratulations. Now the award for excellence in research. There are 3 winners of this. The first one, award for excellence in research, goes to Dr. Seema Akbar, the assistant director and head of the institution, Unani Medicine, from Regional Research Institute of Unani Medicine, Jammu and Kashmir. Congratulations. Next award for excellence in research goes to Mr. Sushant Kumar Sethi, the assistant professor economics from UN College, Odisha. Congratulations. And the last award for excellence in research goes to Dr. Jigmit Das Gupta, senior geologist from Geological Survey of India, West Bengal. Congratulations. And now the researcher category, best researcher. In the researcher category, the first award goes to Professor Sachin C. Sarod. He's a professor oral and maxillofacial pathology from Dr. D.Y. Patel Dental College and Hospital, Maharashtra. Congratulations. Next best researcher award goes to Dr. Manjunath B.S. He's an associate professor of biology from Faculty of Dentistry, Tayak University, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Congratulations. And the last best researcher award goes to Dr. Natasha Sakir. He's a senior assistant professor, Department of Management Studies, University of Kashmir, from Jammu, Kashmir. Congratulations. Now, the young scientist category. In the young scientist category, the official spotlight certificates goes to Mr. Pradeep Kumar Maurya, the senior research fellow, Fish Conservation Division, ICAR, Lucknow. Congratulations. And the last young official spotlight certificate in young scientist category goes to Mr. Ashish Kumar Jatav. He's an SRF in food technology from Bundelkhand University. Congratulations. Last category awards. The last category, which is the scientist category. So the best scientist, first best scientist award goes to Dr. Gargi S. Sarod. He's a professor oral maxillofacial pathology from D.Y. Patil Dental College and Hospital, Maharashtra. And the last award, which is the best scientist award, goes to Dr. Banarsi Lal. He's a senior scientist come head of KVK Raisi from KVK Raisi, SKUAST, Jammu and Kashmir. So congratulations to all the winners. So just give me one round of applause for all the winning participants of the 6th edition of South Asian Education Award. The complete result will be available on the website within half an hour. You can go through, and the same you shall receive through email as well. And we will send your e-certificates through email and hard copy of the certificate and awards through post within 15 days. And all the information regarding the same we will inform you through email, right? So, so I think our senior Dr. DC Singh is still not, his video is still not come. So on behalf of Education Expo TV and South Asian Education Award, I must give congratulations to each and everyone for participating and making success the 6th edition of South Asian Education Awards. And hope you all are taking very well care of yourself and your students and entire community in this global pandemic. And you are the researcher and academician are the only hope during this hard time, right? So, once again, I'm thanking each and everyone. And before we concluding this ceremony, let's we all rise for the national anthem. We can all rise for the national anthem. जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध
गुजरात मराठा
उच्चल चल दे तिरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे जब जन गण मन अधिनायक भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय जय हे. Thank you everyone for joining this afternoon in the virtual ceremony of the South Asian Education Award. And the whole video of this ceremony will be available on the YouTube channel. We will upload it. And so once again, congratulations and we hope to see you next year as well. And thank you once again on behalf of Dr. DC Singh and the entire team of Education Expo. Thank you very much and see you soon and take care of your health very well. Thank you very much.